cool spring breeze blowing towards Medina, if you pass by that place which is best, extend my salutations and regards to the Badru Alayna, the full white moon amongst us, the mercy to all of the worlds, where he, sallallahu alaihi wasallam, rests. As the seasons change and spring is due, so are lessons and learning and essays and cleaning up and putting things into order and pulling things out and all of those lovely things we should have gotten to a long time ago. We're just now getting to them, and after delaying for so long, we just finally have to do it because the seasons are changing and it's starting to warm up a bit more, so we are feeling a little bit more in the spirit of cleaning and refreshing and all of that. After hanging these faux succulents, I am going to get started on language arts with my 7th grader because he has an essay that he is currently working on, so here we are.
During the editing and revision process.
Okay, so what did they just tell you to do?
Basically, they want me to review my old essay. And
your old essay, your rough draft. They want you to review the rough draft. Go to your rough draft. I just asked you if you had it pulled up. The main idea or purpose is clearly stated. Read out loud, Miles, please.
The response is fully relevant. The response strongly supports the main idea or purpose.
Boom, you're already ahead of the game. Look at you. Right here. Take this. Lay it down. What page number did they tell you to work on?
Revising sentence structures to clarify relationships. Coordination relates to clauses of equal importance and make the relationship between the clauses clearer. As an example, original sentence, it was raining and we took the car. Revised sentence, it was raining so we took the car. If clauses in a sentence are equally important, use coordinating conjunctions. Often, using the conjunctions or, but, or, so makes the relationship between clauses clearer.
As many of us know that with children comes a lot of responsibility, so here is a lovely paint mess that my 1st grader left out. I could have her help clean it up. It doesn't matter, it's going to get cleaned. So after it's cleaned, here I am making some Shea Moisture Mix. Well, it's homemade. It's a mixture of avocado oil, sunflower oil, tea tree oil, shea butter, raw shea butter, what am I forgetting? Olive oil. I hope I'm not leaving anything else out. But yeah, this is after a few hours of it setting so that it gets hardened. Or, well, it won't be too hard, but yeah. This is just, it's getting settled here. And now back to the 7th grade essay.
Okay. Here's how the fox and the crow are similar with Kenny and Byron. It's pretty simple. In the story, the crow is very trusting, as Kenny is. Therefore, Byron could easily outwit him, just like how the fox outwitted the crow in the story.
Now that his compare and contrast essay is completed, I will just clean up a bit more here so that we can get on with our schedule. And I'm just feeling really reflective at this time. Honestly, we are in the month of Rajab, and the night of Ascension took place during this blessed, auspicious month. And I'm really just trying to wrap my mind around that and prepare my home and get everything in order before the blessed month of Ramadan. And I hope you all really enjoyed this short video from us. If you did, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Assalamu alaikum.